Hi everybody, so let's get to it. I showed you the shoes and the sleeve of the sweater that I'm going to use for this hack. I've been looking at it and thought it's cool and thought, why not try it out? So I did. First things first, I wanted to make sure that I turned the sleeve inside out. You want the right side of the sweater showing once you complete your hack. I don't go so far when I pull through the end of the sweater with the ribbing on it, which would be the end of the sleeve. And the other end of the sweater, I pull over in the same kind of fashion, except for obviously it's being pulled all the way over the shoe and then around to the bottom or AKA sole of the shoe. You want to cut away any excess. You want to cut away any excess of the sweater that you have so that it's not bulky at the bottom, and then you sew it closed. Anybody that has tried Crocs know that they are comfortable, and my little slippers have been in the shed for quite some time, and the elements have gotten to them over time, but it is what it is. And if I don't figure out this for it, I'm gonna figure out something else for them. But I will say this, trying to get your foot in it is a challenge, and these shoes just fit me, like they're just the right size. So putting this on, if you can see that, can be problematic. And you guys see how it's sliding? Look like I'm doing the snaky leg. Okay, you guys, so as promised, I did apply, if you see, the glue. And let me take the shoe off so you guys can see. I did a fair amount on here. So did it stop the sliding? Yes. It's not a bad look, you guys, especially if you have one that has patterns. It's not a bad look. But for me, I think I'm gonna go right back to what I know. This hack does work, with the caveat, in my opinion, that you put something on the bottom for anti-slip, and that you also use it for the type of buckles that have a Velcro strap, or either elastic on the sides, or maybe redoing house shoes that already are kind of spongy or stretchy in the first place. These aren't really what I would consider stretchy, so it wouldn't work for me. So you guys knew I was going to resort to using my Leather Studio paint. It works well, why not? Like I said, this hack didn't work for this type of shoe in my opinion. It will work or may work better for the other types that I also mentioned. So maybe sometime in the future, I may use it for another type of shoe. That being said, my Leather Art Studio paint does not disappoint. Hashtag I am not sponsored. But you guys take it easy, be safe out there, and look out for each other. Bye-bye.